Let's take a look at this problem. We got f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. And we want to find, first one is f of 3. This is evaluating a function. So we're going to go to our function. Everywhere we have an x, we'll put in a parentheses. Everything else remains exactly the same. The 3 minus 4, all we did is replace the x with parentheses. Now whatever's inside the parentheses here is automatically what we're going to put in here. So put 3 in there. So then we got 3 minus 4 times 3 is 12. And 3 minus 12 is negative 9. Now our next one is f of negative 1. So we're going to go to our original function, and everywhere we have an x, we'll put in a parentheses. Whatever's inside the parentheses right here is automatically we're going to put in here, so put a negative 1 there. Negative times a negative is positive, so this becomes 3 plus 4, 4 times 1, which gives us 7. Next one is f of 3 halves. Again, we go to our original function. Everywhere we have an x, we put in parentheses. So we got 3 minus 4, and then we'll put parentheses here. Now whatever's inside the parentheses here is automatically what goes right here. So put in 3 halves there. Now 4 and 2 are going to, both of them are divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we're going to have 3 minus 2 times 3 is 6. Which gives us negative 3. Next one is f of 4x. So we're again evaluating the function, so we're going to go through and replace our x with parentheses. So we've got 3 minus 4 times a set of parentheses. Whatever's inside the parentheses right here is automatically what's going to go here, so put in 4x. So we got 3 minus 4 times 4 gives us 16x, and that's our answer. You could put it in a different form. You could put the negative 16x first and then a plus 3 after that. Sometimes you always want to write your answers in when they're polynomial in standard form, where your terms range from largest power down to smallest. And then we got 4 times f of x. So here, this is a little bit different. We're not evaluating. We're just plugging in the value of the function. F of x we said is 3 minus 4x. So this 4 is going to remain, and then we'll put 3 minus 4x inside of parentheses, because the 4 that's out in front has to be multiplied times everything that follows it. Then 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times negative 4x is negative 16x. And that'd be our answer. Again, we could flip those around if need be. F of negative x. We're going to go back to our original function, and we'll replace our x with a set of parentheses. Then whatever's inside this parentheses automatically was what goes here, so put a negative x in there. Now negative times a negative is positive, and 4 times x is just simply 4x. And that's our answer. F of x minus 4. And again, this is just evaluating the function, so we're going to go to original function and replace our original x with set of parentheses. Now whatever's inside the parentheses right here is always what goes right here, so we're going to plug in x minus 4. Now this is a distributive property. So we're going to take negative 4 times x, that gives us negative 4x, and we'll take negative 4 times negative 4, which gives us a positive 16. And then 3 plus 16 gives us 19. F of x minus 4. This is not really evaluating the function. It's more of plugging in the value of the function. So f of x we said was 3 minus 4x. So we're going to replace the f of x here with 3 minus 4x. and then the minus 4 carries down. And then 3 minus 4 gives us negative 1, so negative 4x minus 1 is our answer. And last one, f of x squared. Well, we'll go back to our original function. This is just evaluating a function. Everywhere we have an x, we'll put in a set of parentheses. And it's always the same. Whatever's inside the parentheses right here is automatically what goes right here. So I'll put an x squared in there. And that gives us 3 minus 4x squared. We could rewrite that as negative 4x squared plus 3 if we wanted it in a different form.